What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap on stock MBIO, as well as take a look at a couple of other charts. Catch you on the other side. Well, guys, every day can't be a green day, and today, sadly, is a red day recap. Lost $100 today on MBIO. I do have the trade live. Let me show you real quick here my orders. MBIO in at 787, stopped out at 747. A few seconds later, this stock had no bid. This is PRPO. I tried to get in at 48, no fill. It's at 52 cents now, going on 53. High a day is 52.75. This PRPO had no bid. Right now it is at $5.60 or $5.94 now. There goes PRPO, new high a day. I wish I would have gotten my fill. Here's the recording. My idea here was we had this big push. We pulled back onto VWAP. VWAP didn't hold. We had the low of the day at the time was at 750. Was low a day. And we had the 38.2 Fibonacci level right around that area, along with the 90 MA creeping up to that area. So I decided to jump in there long once we started to show what seemed to be a bounce attempt. So I figured I'd get in long there and use the lower day as my stop as this 90 MA creeped up there. And I thought the upside was really good. Because, I mean, you get in there at 780s and $9 is extremely possible, right? So you're talking about over $1 a share profit there, risking about 30 cents. So, and that was just, the first sell target, sell maybe half there and then another half up to that push to 950, $10. So, I mean, there was really good risk reward here. There was a lot to like, had really good news from yesterday. Stock had already made a nice move. So I thought, it was possible. I thought it was a good risk reward. It was a good risk reward, but didn't work out. This stock was a total potato today. Here you go. I'm in 789 cost basis with commissions. I put my hard stop out. As you can see, this time I did it right. Unlike yesterday, no brain fog going on today. Just disappointment at this point. That's it. Got stopped out. That was the trade right there. I'm in there, 789 cost basis from my 787 entry, and I get stopped out. I didn't want to use this $7.90 MA as a support because I just wanted to use the lower day as support. I figured we would bounce there, shorts would cover in front of that lower day. People who shorted up here and who shorted on this VWAP break and, this VWAP breakdown and then the test and break would cover in front of the lower day. It made sense to me, but shorts are very confident today. This stock just keeps on going lower. I got another little clip here for you. Let me exit this. Bring this on over here. You could see the stock just continued to go lower and lower and lower. 670s. All that selling volume is just crazy. 670s, 680s. And right now we're sitting at 611. Let me bring this chart over here for you real quick. You can see we have made a low today of 563. We're at 613 now. It just hasn't caught a bid and bounced strong at all. In the meanwhile, PRPO, 54 high a day. I tried to get filled on this pullback here into the 90 MA at 48 cents. And I had a limit order out, a bid out at 48 cents, no fill. And then it took off. That's just a look that I'm having today, guys. I hope you're having better luck today. Today's kind of like Friday because the stock market's closed tomorrow. That's about it for me. How did you do today? Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know. Did you trade MBIO? Hopefully, if you did, you traded it either in pre-market or you shorted. Or you caught that gap and go right at the bell. If not, did you catch a piece of PRPO, which has made a real nice move today? Let me know. Drop it down in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the